I've been with the authority since 1994, when the original building that was on this site was torn down and this materials recovery facility was built. In 2014, we had a devastating fire. It wiped out our entire system. We had to replace most of the building. That left a mark. For anybody who's been through a fire, it's a traumatic experience. It wasn't long after that where we met the folks at Fire Rover. I do sleep better at night knowing that in the middle of the night, if we have a fire, Fire Rover is going to be able to identify it, alert everybody to it, and address the fire with the phone. And it's happened more times than I care. There's been times where I've watched it remotely on a handheld, and I've even thought to myself, you know what, Fire Rover is going to have that problem solved before the fire department even shows up. I don't even need to go in. We know that there are spots in our facility that are potentially under threat that we can't necessarily address with the off-the-shelf system, and they've done a really good job of designing to meet those needs. And it's not just a matter of protecting your product or protecting your equipment or protecting your building, but it's protecting your people as well. Making sure that there are tools in place so that they can operate safely and they can be protected, and your facility and your operation can be protected when the time comes.